Okay, here is my first ever hors d'oeuvres package. Alright, I already opened it up. But I haven't taken anything out yet. So let's look at this together. First thing we got here, wow. Elvira comic book. Interesting. Alright, let's check that out. We got something that's wrapped in here. Oh man, Bates Motel. Oh my god, I don't know what this is, but I already like it. Holy crap. It's funny because I just watched the most recent episode. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday that I watched it, yeah. Might have been yesterday. Or the day before. I don't remember. I know it was on Monday night, but I was at work, so I didn't watch it until, well, maybe it was Tuesday Tuesday morning I watched it. I don't remember now. I really want to know what's in here. Okay. Oh wow, it's like some kind of sign or something. What is that? Oh, they're like candles. Oh yeah, they're lights. Oh wow. I guess you turn it on and you put it inside. Oh, that is awesome. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh man, do I love me? I love the show. I love the movies. Oh wow, that's awesome. Really is. That definitely makes me happy I got this. Okay. Feels like a hat. Get it out. Stuck. Another wrap. Just padding, I guess. Ooh. It's a pinhead hat. Not really a hat wearer, but that's still pretty cool. Snapback pinhead. Ooh, I think Johnny's gonna like that. You know his love for that. And we got the the thank you. Oh, and it's like a little clothespin on it. Thank you card. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks for the ride, lady. Oh my god, I love Creep Show. Oh, they totally got me. they got me on this for sure. Here's another have a great day. Oh, Child's Play. Yes, that's cool. I like it. Another type of card. Oh man. Yeah, another envelope for it. We got another one. Oh, we got the little. Okay, I'll save that because it tells you everything. But although I'm pretty much. Oh, Misery. I'm your #1 fan. Oh wow, those are cool thank you cards. Oh man, one more thing. Oh, what is this? Oh, Leprechaun. You'll love me gold. Damn thing won't focus. Come on, focus. You'll love me gold. I think it's a chocolate. Yeah, it is. It's a chocolate. A chocolate gold piece. That's pretty cool, and that's everything for it. Wow, this was really good. I really like this. And here's the little thing that tells you what you got. Frappetizer, Chucky Soup for the Soul, stationary trio set for sharing with friends. Anti-Life pasta, Pinhead Primavera hat with chopped blood sprouts, Death Tray, Bates Motel croquet, Shadow box with, what does it say? Oh, baked tea light marrow, garnished with carefully selected aged comic find. Dessert, Chef LPR John's famous gold chocolate confections. Wow. I have to say, this is awesome. This is really, I really enjoyed this box, or package, whatever you want to call it.